Hello everyone. Today we're in the beautiful city of Santa Monica. So what we have right here, did a camera inspection via this clean out. It's actually a double clean out, one here, one right there. So what I found was heavy root extrusions, which seem to be coming from this tree right here. So today we're going to be performing a hydrojet to eliminate those root extrusions. That way this customer can continue using his sewer line without any clogs. So now I got the jetter on. Now it's time to turn it up and get these roots gone.